If you have a double-story home and want a wood heater on the ground floor, one of the biggest things you have is facing all the additional flue you have to put on the heater. With a double-story home, you're looking at anywhere up to 9 meters of flue. That's twice the amount of flue you would normally have on a normal wood heater. Now, there are some benefits with putting extra flue in a wood heater. You get a lot more draft, so it's going to make lighting the heater a lot faster. But one of the biggest issues you're going to have is all the extra weight that flue is going to be suspended in the roof, trying to line it all up and having that noise echoing down the flue. Our solution is to use Pivot's insulated room seal flue kit. Now, with the insulated flue, all the weight of this flue is placed on the heater. We build up, so we don't have to worry about suspending the flue being misaligned and all the offsets you have in there. The twist lock flue is so easy to lock together and allows each piece to lock perfectly without any misalignment of the flue. The insulation also deadens the noise up to 90%. So in the windiest nights, you don't have all the outside wind echoing down 9 meters of flue. It's 90% quieter with the insulated flue kit. So this, coupled with the insulated flue kit's narrow diameter, the straight flue and the clean cut look, which is extremely important when the flue is visible here, you've got to check out the insulated flue kit systems called a room seal flue kit on your 2-story home. Now, it's available through Pivot Stove and Heating or any of our dealers right around Australia.